students. I hope you are all safe at home. Listen children, this is your maths class. What we have learnt in previous class? Yes, place value, expanded form, circle the biggest number and circle the smallest number, ascending order and descending order. Are you clear this all the topics? Okay, place values we have seen only 3 places. 2 places and 3 places have. So 2 places means ones, tens only have. 3 places means hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds have. Okay. Then ascending order means what is this? Ascending order means smallest number to biggest number. Are you clear? Then descending order means biggest number to smallest number. What is this? Biggest number to smallest number. Are you clear? Okay children. Now I will give answers for previous class worksheet. Take your worksheet and check answers. Okay. Take your worksheet. See the first Roman. First Roman, write the place value. What is this? Write the place value. See the first question 2, 6, 26. The second question 345. Then C question 209. Next D question 793. Are you clear children? The first sum only have 2 places. Another 3 sums have 3 places. Are you clear? Okay. See the first one. Here 2 places means what are the places have? Ones and tens. What is this number? 26. So 6 is a ones place. 2 is a tens place. Are you clear? How many tens here? 2 tens. TWO 2 tens. TENS tens. 2 tens. 6 ones. SIX 6 ones. ONES 6 ones. The next one have 3 places. Ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and hundreds. How many hundred is here? 3 hundreds. What is the spelling of 3? THREE. 3 hundred. HUNDRED. 3 hundreds. 3 hundreds plus 4 tens. FOUR 4 tens. TENS tens. 4 tens plus how many ones here? 5. 5 ones. FIVE 5 ones. ONES 5 ones. The next one 209. How to read this number? 209. So 9 is ones place. 0 is a tens place. 2 is a hundreds place. How many hundred is here? 2 hundreds. TWO 2 hundreds. HUNDREDS hundreds. 2 hundreds plus how many tens here? So 0. 0 means nothing. So you should put this 0. Next, how many ones here? 9 ones. NINE 9 ones. ONES 9 ones. The next one 793. How many places have? 3 places. 3 is a ones place. 9 is a tens place. H is a hundreds place. Okay, how many hundred is here? 7. 7 SEVEN 7 hundreds. HUNDRED 7 hundreds plus how many tens here? 9 tens. NINE 9 tens. TENS tens. 9 tens. How many ones here? 3 ones. THREE 3 ones. ONES 3 ones. Are you clear children? How to write this place values? Check the answers. Okay. write in expanded form. What is this? Write in expanded form. See here, the first sum 4, 6, 46. 46 have only two places. What are the places have? Ones and tens. O for ones, T for tens. How to write this expanded form? 4 tens means write 40. 4 tens means 10, 20, 30, 40. Plus, how many ones here? 6 ones. Are you clear, children? The first sum 40 plus 6. The second sum have 3 places. 3, 2, 1. How to read this number? 321. See, 1 is a ones place, 2 is a tens place, 3 is a hundreds place. Okay, how to write this number? 300 plus, how many tens here? 2 tens. 2 tens means 10, 20. So write 20 plus, how many ones here? 1, 1. So write 1. Are you clear, children? The next one, ones, tens, hundreds. How many hundred is here? 400. So write 400 plus, how many tens? 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 plus, how many ones here? 0. So 0 means nothing. Write 0. Are you clear, children? The next one, 3, 8. This is 2 places only have ones and tens. How many tens here? 3 tens. 3 tens means 10, 20, 30. So write 30 plus, how many ones here? 8 ones. So write 8. Are you clear, children? How to write in expanded form? Okay. The next one, third Roman. Circle the biggest number. What is this? Circle the biggest number. The first sum, here have 3 numbers. You compare these 3 numbers. Which number is the biggest number? You should put the circle. Okay. 25, 48, 7. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 48 is the biggest number. So you should put the circle. Okay. The next one, 10, 34, 56. Which number is the biggest number? 10, 34 or 56? Yes, 56 is the biggest number. So you should put the circle. Okay, the next one, 13, 24, 67. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 67 is the biggest number. So you should put the circle. Okay, the next sum, 45, 22, 12. Which number is the biggest number? Yes, 45 is the biggest number. So you should put the circle. Are you clear, children? How to write this biggest number and expanded form also? Okay. Check the answers in your worksheet. Okay, children? Listen. Now we are going to see the topic addition. What is this? Addition. The symbol of addition is plus. What is this? The symbol of addition is plus. How to read this symbol? Plus. P-L-U-S. Plus. How to read this symbol? Plus. The symbol of addition is plus. See, here given some words in addition. Addition. What is this? Addition. Addition means add. Addition means join. Addition means in all. Addition means sum. Addition means altogether. Addition means total. Addition means more. Addition means both. Addition means plus. Addition means increases. Addition means total. Are you clear, children? These and all words we are using addition. See, add, more, join, both, in all, plus, sum, increases, altogether and total. These and all words we are using additions. Okay. See, what are the words have? Add, A-D-D, add, more, and both, join, in all, sum, and plus, altogether, total, increase, these and all words we are using addition. Addition means altogether. Addition means altogether. Addition means altogether. Are you clear, children? Addition means altogether. What and all words we are using addition? Add, more, both, join, in all, sum, plus, altogether, total, increase. These and all words we are using addition. Are you clear, children? Addition means altogether. Now we'll see picture addition. Already we have learnt in first standard. Now also we have seen this picture addition. What is this? Picture addition. P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture addition. A-D-D-I-T-I-O-N, picture addition. Now see here, we have two boxes. What is this symbol? Plus. What is this? Symbol plus. See here, the first box have how many circles in the first box? 1, 2, 3. So first box have 3 circles. The second box have how many circles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many circles? 5 circles. Then how many both of them? How many? Both of them you count and say 1, 2, 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The total of how many circles have? 8 circles. So write here 8. Are you clear, children? How to add this picture addition? Okay. The second one. What is the symbol? Plus. See here, you have two boxes. Each box has some stars. Okay. See, the first box have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First box have 7 stars. Plus, second box have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars? 5 stars. So write 5 here. So how many both of them? Add and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 after? Yes, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The total of how many stars here? 12 stars. So write 12, 1, 2, 12. Are you clear, children? How to add this picture addition? Okay. I'll give another examples. See some. What is the shape here? Yes, triangle. The next box have see, third sum. How many triangle in the first box? Yes, 3 triangle. 1, 2, 3. So 3 triangle. Next, second box have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many triangle? 8 triangles. How many both of them? You count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The total of how many triangles? 11 triangles. So write here 11. Okay. The next one. How many smileys in the first box? Yes, 4. Next box have 2. So 4 plus 2. Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So write here 6. Okay, the next one. How many squares in the first box? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4. How many squares in the second box? This also have 4. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. The total of how many squares here? 8 squares. Are you clear, children? How to add this picture addition? Okay. Next, we'll see one digit addition. What is this? Addition, one digit. Listen carefully, children. This is horizontal wise addition. 5 plus 3. So what will come the answer? See, the first number is 5. The second number is 3. So how to add these sums? First number in the mind, second number in the finger. So first number, what is this? 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So what will come the answer? 8. Are you clear, children? The next one. See here. This is first number is 9. What is the symbol? The symbol of addition. Yes, plus. Second number is 7. So 9 plus 7. So 9 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what will come here? 16. 16 means 1, 6 is 16. Are you clear, children? Okay. This third sum. 8 plus 4. So 8 in the first number, 4 in the second number. First number in the mind, 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. So what will come answer? 12. So right, 12 is here. The next one. See here. Here first number is 5. Second number is 0. So 5 plus 0 what will come? 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. So 5 plus 0 will get same number. Any number add with 0 we get same number. 5 plus 0 will get 5. So write 5. The second number, 8 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what will come answer? 15. 1, 5, 15. Are you clear, children? How to add the sums? Single one digit number. Okay. See, another example. Now we'll see row wise how to write. See here, this is ones place. Here have only one digit. So ones place only have 3 plus 4. So 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So what will come answer? 7. So write 7. The next sum. Next 8 plus 5. 8 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what will come? 13. 1, 3, 13. Are you clear, children? The next sum. 6 plus 3. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 after? Yes, 7, 8, 9. So what will come answer here? 9. Are you clear, children? How to add this one digit number? Okay. Now we'll see the 2-digit addition. What is this? 2-digit addition. Addition, 2-digit. Two-digit without carry. Without carry. 2-digit means have 2 places. Ones and tens also. See here the first sum 24 plus 35. What will come the answer? First, you should arrange this number. First number, what is this? 24. The second number, 35. So, write 35. So, what is the symbol? Plus. So, you should put right plus. Now, add this. Now, start from ones place. Which is a ones place here? Yes. This is ones place. This is tens place. O for ones, T for tens. We should add from ones place. 4 plus 5. 4 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 9 in the ones place. The next one, tens place, 2 and 3. 2 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5. So, what will come? 5 in the tens place. Are you clear, children? What is this answer? 5, 9, 59. So, write 59. Next sum. See, 46 plus 32. First, you should arrange this number. 4, 6, 46, 3, 2, 32 plus. So, which is a ones place? Yes, 6 and 2 is a ones place. 4 and 3 is a tens place. Now, add from ones place. 6 plus 2. 6 after 7, 8. So, write 8 in the ones place. Next, tens place, 4 and 3. So, 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So, write 7. What is this answer? 78. What is this answer? 78. Are you clear, children? How to add this 2-digit number? Okay. Next, third sum. See. What is this number? 53 plus 32. First, you should arrange this number. Tens and ones. See. 5, 3 and 3, 2. What is the symbol of addition? Plus. So, you have to add from ones place. 3 and 2. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5. So, write 5 in the ones place. Next, tens place, 5 and 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So, write 8. What is this answer? 8, 5, 85. You should write here 85. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next sum, D sum. See, first you should arrange this number tens and ones. O for ones, T for tens. First number is 49. 4, 9, 49. The second number 3, 0. So, write 3, 0. Now, we add ones place 9 plus 0. Any number we add 0 means will get same number. So, 9 plus 0 will get 9. So, write 9 in the ones place. Next, tens place 4 and 3. 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So, write 7. What is this answer? 749. What? Sorry, 79. What is this answer? 79. 79. Are you clear, children? How to add this 2-digit number? This is without carry. With carry will see after. Okay. Are you clear, children? 2-digit addition. Okay. We have seen what are the today we have seen this addition, 1 digit, picture addition and single digit addition and 2-digit addition. Are you clear these 3 topics? If you have any doubt? No. Okay. Shall I ask some questions in these topics? Listen carefully. I have some flashcards. I will ask some questions. The first one, see here. 4 plus 3. What is this? 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. What will come the answer? 4 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7. Yes, answer correct. 7. Shall we check? Okay. Answer is correct. The 7 is the answer. 4 plus 3 is equal 7. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one. 5 plus 4. What is this? 5 plus 4. 5 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Are you clear? Is that correct? Shall we check the answer? Yes, the 9 is the answer. 5 plus 4 is equal 9. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next one, see, 2 plus 0. Any number add with 0 means will get same number. So 2 plus 0 means will get 2. So answer is 2. Is that correct? Very good. The next one, 2-digit number. See here, 12 plus 24. First arrange and say. Plus 24. Now add this 2 number. Which is a ones place? Which is a tens place? Yes, 2 is a ones place. 1 is a tens place. We should add from ones place. 2 plus 4. 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So write 6 in the ones place. Tens place 1 and 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger, 1 after 2 and 3. So what is this answer? 36. Is the correct 36? Shall we check the answer? 12 plus 24 is 36. 36. The answer is correct. See, 12 plus 24 is equal 36. Are you clear, children? How to add the sums? Okay. Listen, children. Are you clear this all the topics? Okay. What I have seen today? Addition means all together. What is this? Addition means all together. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition is plus. The symbol of addition is plus. Addition means all together. The symbol of addition is plus. How to read this symbol? Plus. See, here addition means add, addition means more, addition means join, both, in all, plus, sum, increase, all together, total. Addition means these and all words using addition. Add, more, join, both, in all, plus, sum, increase, all together and total. Are you clear, children? These words? Okay. The next have seen picture addition. Picture addition, see here, for example, see, first box have 3 stars. Next box also have 3 stars. The total of how many stars here? Count and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total of 6 stars. Are you clear, children? Okay. The next, listen carefully. The second sum. The first box have how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles. The second box have 1 triangle. The total of how many triangles here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after 5. So write 5 here. Are you clear, children? How to add this picture addition? Okay. The next one have seen 1 digit addition. 1 digit addition. 2 types of 1 digit addition, horizontal wise and vertical wise. See here, what will come? 3 plus 6, 3 in the month, 6 in the finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Are you clear, children? The next, see here, the first number is 5, the second number is 8, 5 in the month, 8 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7, 5 in the month, 8 in the finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 3 is 13. Are you clear, children? How to add this 1 digit number? Okay. The next one, we have seen 2 digit addition. Is there no 2 digit addition? See, 53 plus 46. First you should arrange this number tens and ones. 5, 3, 4 and 6. First add this number, add from ones place. 3 plus 6, yes, 9. 5 plus 4, also 9. Very good. So 9, 9. So what will come the answer? 99. Here write 99. Are you clear, children? The next sum. See, you have 35 plus 20. First arrange this number. Tens and ones. 3, 5, 35, 2, 0, 20. First add this number. 5 plus 0 will get 5. 3 plus 2 will get 3 after 4 and 5. So answer is 55. Are you clear, children? How to add this 2 digit number? Are you clear, children? How to add this picture addition, 1 digit addition and 2 digit addition? Okay. Are you clear this all the topic? Okay, children, revise this all the topic and do your worksheet and stay home and be safe. Okay, thank you.